What's up, baby? What's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin'? It's your girl Bailey back again with another YouTube video, and I basically kind of just woke up. But today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be like kind of customizing and giving my slimes a makeover and showing you how to double up your slime. So basically, slime tips. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening in today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, my coating is coming off. It came off on these two nails right here. This one, and it came off on this one and this one. Now this one is coming off too. And it really hurts. But right now, I'm going to get started with the video. So let's get started. So first slime, I'm going to do how to like double it up, because this one you would think it's like basically filled to the top, but it's not. You would want it to be filled to the top because like it's a big jar, and I'm going to make it softer as well. So what you want to do, and I'm going to change the color. Oh, it's really cold, and it's like not really one time, it's like 12 or 1 something. And it's like really cold outside. And I'm just going to first make it softer. It looks pretty soft, but it's actually not too soft. Like, I want to make it softer. It's really pretty hard. So what I'm going to do, and I want to make this smell good, so it smells like, I don't know right now, but it's going to smell differently. So I'm going to be taking this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Yogurt Vanilla and Oats Lotion. It's in this little container. It's the outside. It has... I'm making a YouTube video. It has directions and ingredients right here, but it's hard to see. And then here's a label. It's all labeled, but now there's the top. It's green, as you can see. And then here's the inside. So we're just gonna take some of this and we're gonna put it in here. So if you're wondering who is that, that was my mom. So now you just want to mix it in. And you can add more glue, but I think I'm gonna like add more glue to this, because yesterday I made like a really jiggly slime. It was like one of them Instagram jiggly slimes, and I'm going to bring it home today, and I'm going to do a like vlog today. So this is not the only video I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a vlog today because I'm going to be getting my hair done, not with fake hair, getting these redone, and I'm getting beads at the end. So yeah, so just mixing it in. You can use glue, but yeah, like I said, you can use glue, and I'm going to. But first, I want to like just get it softer. So I'm gonna add a little more, and that's it. I'm gonna add a little more, and that's all I'm gonna add, because I'm kind of running out. I could just go get some more, because my auntie, she had made these little like packs with them and stuff, like stuff with them and like that. But she haven't used them yet, and I can use some packs because I can borrow and have some packs because some of the packs, because I helped her make them, and she said I could have some. So as you guys probably can see, it has a few foam beads in it, and I don't want the foam beads in. So I'm going to take the foam beads out, and that's the good thing about it. There's not so many foam beads in here. So we got one, and they're green and yellow. Off me. think I feel another one. Was it only 2 foam beads? Oh no, it wasn't. It was more.
Baby, you didn't have the heater on.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
I know. Because you said it was warm in my room.
You ready to take a shower so I can wash your hair? Take your potatoes? You get some breakfast?
You got that schedule all wrong.
Oh.
First, I'm going to eat breakfast. Then I'm going to take a shower so you can wash my hair. Then we're going to go.
Come here, I can hear you. I'm in the bathroom.
Nice try, Mom.
Well, I'm in the bathroom. You want me to pee?
I'm making a YouTube video. Oh, here's another one. Found another foam bead, which I don't want in the slime anymore. So I'm just taking them out. I found another one. I think that's all. Yeah, so now I got all the foam. Oh, no, I didn't. You know, it's right in front of the camera. I got all the foam beads out. And now a video. Dang, it's cold in here.
Cold in where?
In my room.
It was warm in there last night.
It's cold in here. So,
You want some eggs?
yeah. Don't we got French toast?
We got French toast bread, but we don't have the stuff to make French toast with.
Okay, if you heat up the bread, I'll eat it. I don't.
Toast and eggs?
Yeah, toast and egg.
Peanut butter and jelly toast count?
Just with either the peanut butter or jelly.
You don't like them together?
Not like
Who
that.
don't like them together?
Me.
What kind of child am I raising?
A beautiful one. So, here's the slime right here. But I'm not done with it. Are you finna play music?
Yeah.
Well, close the door.
It's not gonna be loud.
You sure it's not gonna be blasted loud like your music be like, ah, stop, 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 stop. That's how my mom music be. Here we have this brown slime, and I took all of the foam beads out. I don't believe there's any foam beads in, because if there is, I will take them out during the. Yeah, I'll take them out during time that I'm doing this. So after I'm done, I'm just gonna get some Elmer's glue. I have 2 types of glue, and I have this white school glue. It's not full. Neither is this one. It's glitter glue. But I think I'm going to be using the white school glue. So what you want to do is you want to lay the slime. What you want to do is you want to lay the slime out. Sorry for that, you guys. But when I lay the slime out, open the glue, or if your thing works, mine doesn't anymore. But yeah, it looks like there's nothing in there. But trust me, there's going to be something in here. That's enough. Do not need too much, or else it'll become too sticky. And you gotta work pretty fast. I'm working pretty slow. I don't know why. I'm supposed to be working fast because the glue, it will spread out and it can get all over. But yeah. Don't mind me. I'm just very weird. You guys, look, look, look. It's a bubble right here. Look. It has a glue popping out of it. And it feels so weird. Then you just want to mix it in. If I was good at editing, I would have speeded this part up. Or I would have done a voiceover. But I can't. Is someone at the door? Is someone at the door? Oh. So, You guys, I play with slime like Jillian Bauer. If you don't watch her, go watch her videos. Like, she does this to slime. This is what she does to slime. Sometimes I play with it like her. But now it is a little, it is stickier, but not so sticky. Like, it's not like, sticky. But it's still a little hard. But that is perfectly fine. Now since it's, oh my god, you guys, if you guys don't watch TJ So Cool, you gotta watch him too. And like White in some type of language, it's one of his dogs that died. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, you should if you're a real fan. Blanco, oh my god. Mom, what is that? And I'm going to be using a Craft Smart acrylic paint. Mom, what was that?
Mommy, are you talking to me?
Yeah, what was that little burp?
Oh, my speaker is dying.
Oh. Charge it. Didn't it come with a charger?
Yeah, I was just putting the trash in the trash can, so I couldn't stop. Thank you.
So you guys, if you're wondering what's that noise, that's my mother's speaker. It is dying. Not like bleh, dying. It's like kind of getting out of juice, like out of things. So I couldn't make a bubble with this slime, but now I can. That wasn't my best bubble, but I was just giving an example. But yeah, it is not so doubled up yet. We're going to add some more glue and lotion so it'll double up. I've been filming this for 12 minutes. Like 7 seconds. Well, 10 now. Yeah, it's just like right here. It's like time. This is milliseconds. It's regular seconds. This is minutes. And it's 12 minutes, 23 seconds, and like, I don't know how many milliseconds because it's like going really fast. Like milliseconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's milliseconds. So I added more lotion. And I don't feel like adding more glue. I'm just go ahead and change the color. Ah, man. I added some more lotion. 13 minutes and 2 seconds now. I added some more lotion so it'll get softer and the color could go down. Because it was like a really...
Sorry, I can't approve your request, baby.
It's okay. So I think I'm going to make it... Let's think.
Hey, Mommy.
Green.
Hey, Mommy. You sit in front of your heater, huh?
So my mom's on the phone with my granny.
I see your light. You beaming. Hey, Mommy, I wanted to tell you, last night I finished off your joint. You woke up looking for it this morning.
I'm gonna close my door. So yeah, I just closed my door. Now I'm trying to open this, even though it's very hard. It was very hard to open, you guys. So now I'm just adding some paint, some acrylic paint. If it gets on my hands, you guys, it looks not washable, but it is. You just gotta like really scrub your hands. You guys, I have another bubble. As you can see, it's pretty green. But it doesn't really get on my hands. And it's not gonna really show that much right now because like it's, what's it called? Just a little bit in there. Ooh, never mind. And it's a pretty small slimes. it's gonna get all in there. A little bit of paint. You guys, I'm kind of like a painter, because I like painting. And a little paint, it goes a long way. Like that little much of paint that I just put in a second ago. Look at the slime now. It's going a long way. So stretching it. And I'm going to add a little glitter to the slime. Just a little bit. And so I'm looking at a notification that I got from TikTok. Go follow my TikTok. It's in it'll be in the. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to pause this video, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to say hi to my granny. I just hit my freaking toe, my ankle on that part of my bed, like that part right there. I'm gonna zoom in on it. That part, that little thing on my bed. I'm moving myself down.
Oh, goodness, Mommy. What happened? I mean, not to say it as if it's a bad
Good morning,
thing.
Granny. Good morning.
Good morning, baby. Well, it looked like it says fine on it.
Oh, my goodness.
So, just went to go say good morning to my grannies. And it is very cold, you guys. Like, very, very cold. Ouch. Shoot. Do you guys see this thing right here? I stubbed my toe on this. First, it was this. Now it's this. Like, bro, leave me alone. I roll my sleeves back up. Take the slime. Put some more paint. I'm not going to close it all the way because it's really hard to close. Guys, I did it again. I keep doing it. I don't know why. I want to make this like a grass green. And it's getting really pretty green. Like a light green. I don't want it to be dark green. I will be okay. I mean, I don't want it to be dark green, but I will be okay with whatever color it turns out to be. So, I'm not going to be like, oh, I don't want it to be this color. It's actually like a really nice green. And I might, instead of making this green, I'm going to start adding some blue and green. Because I want to make this like mint chocolate chip slime. So I'm going to add a little bit of blue. And I have this Ocean Breeze blue. And that one was mint green. Now I'm going to add some blue, Ocean Breeze. And I want this to become a pretty light blue, but not too light. I want it to become a mint green color. You guys, do you know those videos on YouTube where it's like they be using little plastic bags, and then they just like cut scissors, they use scissors to cut it open, and then it just pops? I had a little bubble right there, and it made it like that. So, just mixing this in. Just wondering what color it's going to turn out to be. And it looks pretty, really pretty. But I want to get it pretty lighter. That's close, okay. Gonna add a little more. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, look. I'm gonna make a little thing with it. And then look, watch, just watch. It should have paint in it. I haven't found one with paint in it, but I know there's paint in here. Dang, right when I want to film it for the camera, it want to go away. I think it's over here. Right when I want to film, I found it, you guys. I really found it this time, I think. Nope. Right when I want to film it for the camera. This is like a Grinch. So, I think I might call this like Grinch something because it's not really like a Grinch anymore. Like mint chocolate chip is kind of like a Grinch, but it's blue. Yes, Mom? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna keep this slime like this. I like the color. Hold on, let me finish mixing this slime. Now we're gonna put it in there. It's going to be called Grinch deodorant. That's the only thing I could think of, and I've been wanting to name one of my slimes like that for a little while now. Yes. Move it. Move it. Where is it? What's in my bag? Oh. Want me to sit on the thing?
You can sit on the sofa.
Yeah, I was trying to say that.
You gonna come help me make you something to eat?
In a little bit. So you guys, I think, yeah. So, no, we're not gonna change the video idea. So we got this slime all made, made over, or customized. And I don't have little charms. And I guess this stuff didn't fix his texture. So this slime, I don't know who that is, but okay, so on to the next slime. I'm going to roll my sleeves back up, and I'm going to do this slime, which is in a plastic bag. So yeah. I think this is the one my best friend's brother made. And maybe you guys, maybe today, my best friend is going to come over after this video. I'm going to FaceTime her and ask her if she wants to come over. So, no, I think this is the one I made, and it's really, like, really glossy. It's just a regular slime, and it's really nice. It's like, as you guys can see, it's really glossy. When you stretch it, like nice and slow, it gets a little, like, lippy, because I had to rush making this slime. So yeah. I think I might make this one gray. Just this video is just like a slime makeover. So let's make this one gray. Open our gray. And all I'm gonna do is make this one just a little gray. That's enough. I wanna see what color it's gonna turn out. Like I said, a little bit of paint goes a very long way, and since it is not so hard, guys, it's going to be easy to mix. We've been filming for 25 minutes, and 4 seconds. So I'm just mixing it in. I don't think it's gonna show, but I think it's gonna make the blue different. Oh, it's kind of showing now. I don't know if you guys, oh yeah, you guys can probably see that. But after this video is over, I'm going to FaceTime my best friend, and then if we go and get her, I will watch my videos. Hold on, you guys. Go see what my mom needs again. I'm coming. Hold on. Huh?
What are you doing?
Playing with slime.
Huh?
Playing with slime.
While I make you some breakfast, can I cut the rubber bands out and you untwist them?
I guess.
Huh?
I guess.
Okay.
Right now?
Yeah.
I was in the middle of doing a slime video.
Okay, it's fine.
You can cut them out after. I'm almost done. So, guys, if you guys heard, I'm almost done making this video because I want to film it for less than 30 minutes. So you guys don't click out. I'm gonna roll my sleeves back up. You guys probably like, oh my god, why does she keep calling you? Don't say that. It's just cause we're in here by ourselves. Comment down below if you guys watch Bird Box. And comment down below your zodiac sign. So yeah, I didn't really turn it to color. But I'm going to say that to you. And I will make a part 2 of this video, probably. But probably not today. Probably like tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I go back to school. We've been filming this. Yes.
When you go to your granny house today, you need to find your other bee backpack so I can wash it. And you can use that one. And that
What bee backpack?
The first bee backpack I bought you.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
So I can wash it and you can take it to school on Monday.
Okay.
Oh, actually, you're not going to school Monday. Are you
Why?
going late? You have a doctor's appointment. What is all that stuff on your wall?
Where? I don't know.
Oh, those are hose. I should hang something up. But yeah. Why you keep closing the door?
But that's all for today's slime video. I know that was super long just for 2 slimes, you guys. I'm so sorry. It was because my nail, it really hurts. And it's like coming off. So, yeah. That is all for today's slime video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried to put work into this video. And, yeah, we've been filming for 28 minutes and 7 seconds. So, I'm going to end this right here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And, no. Let me start that again. Beep. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with family, friends, pets. I don't care if I said pets. Anybody. Like, just share it. But yeah. Bye, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.